This is a boat that came in. It's got the Bravo 3 outdrive, and it's got the standard loose steering. So the steering wheel up top's not even turning with that much play in the back. And they make a way to solve that problem that's been done to this one with the new gimbal ring and a new pin. And you cut a hole in there with a special wrench, you can fix this problem. And that's been done to this. But the funny thing is the problem we expected to be would be between the ring and the pin that goes up through there. But on this one, you could see the arm, which the arm is this part right here. This, we're looking at the back of the arm. And then the nut is the pin that goes through it. So the steering arm isn't moving, so you know the steering wheel isn't moving, but I'm moving the outdrive. And so that pin is turning, and I pulled one of these out of stock that has got it for sale to explain what's going on. So this is normally what wears, and that's in the ring. Got your carrier right here. And then this pin goes up from the bottom, and this arm fits on top of it. So that pin goes up through like that. And what we're seeing in through the hole is actually the back side of that. So this arm is wobbling on the pin, where that's worn out right there. That's what we're seeing right now. So it doesn't take a $1,000 gimbal ring and quite a few other parts. We're just going to need to put this steering arm on it with a new pin. It still doesn't negate the amount of work we're going to have to go through to get that pin out, since the helmet has to come off, the drive has to come off, then we've got to twist it off. It's a day's labor, but it's not a gimbal ring. We've got all the parts we need right here.